If you want to stay updated on your Capital One account activity, turning on notifications in the app is a great way to do that. Let's start by opening the Capital One app on your phone and logging in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your settings. From there, look for the section called Alerts and Notifications and select it. You'll see a list of your accounts, so pick the one you want to get notifications for. Here you can choose the kinds of alerts you want, like when a purchase is made, when your balance hits a certain amount, reminders about upcoming payments, or even fraud alerts if suspicious activity is detected. After you decide which notifications you want, you can pick how you want to receive them, whether as push notifications right to your phone via email or through text messages. Once you have set your preferences, just hit save and you're all set. Keeping these notifications on helps you stay on top of your account and quickly spot anything unusual. It's a simple way to keep your finances secure and up to date. And like always, if you found this video helpful, you just gotta go hit that like and comment, subscribe. And like always, just if you do have also a question, just drop them down below in the comment section and I'll get back with a video. Or if an answer feels suitable, I'll drop that.